I want to discuss with you the general idea, and then in breakout rooms, you will try to find some mistakes of diagrams and try to explain what has happened on the diagram, what is described here.
So travel agent got the information about flights, tried to book flight form sent information about flight to flight controller creating customer.
But how the information is got on the book flight controller stage? I think it will be easier if we open the book flight form. Yes, and we have that book.
Okay, and we press.
So we have that book method, and yes, we have the passenger information. Yeah.
Yes.
So we don't send only the flight ID. We send the passenger information together with it. Okay, I think we can switch back to the schema now. From book flight form, we send information about the flight and we send information about the passenger. And here, when we go from book flight controller to the customer object, we do the same as we did with the flight object.
Yeah.
But here we form the customer object, yeah?
The thing is, like, we also notice, but it's on the schema, there's no repeated arrow to UI. We see confirmation, the all confirmation, it's also need to be like.
Yes, yes.
I mean, we definitely need arrow to UI here.
From book
but
flight form
Yes,
to controller, yeah.
But from controller, right?
Yeah.
From controller, and from where should we get the information? I mean, the reverse errors.
Flight
Yes.
data access.
Flight data access, yes. From flight data access to where?
To book flight controller.
To book flight controller. Yeah. Thanks God. Everything is okay now.
And then to UI, right?
And then to UI.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you very much.